Today's video, I will teach you how to generate a coloring page using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Photo Room. And once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand panel. Then click on AI Tools to access Photo Room's creative AI options. Then scroll down to the Create Images with AI section. Then click See All to explore the full list of AI tools. Then scroll down and select the Coloring Page option. This tool is specifically designed to create black and white line art, perfect for coloring pages. Now in the text box, write a detailed description of what you'd like the coloring page to feature. And be sure to be specific and vivid as possible to help the AI understand your concept. Now click on Size Setting to choose the layout for your coloring page. And here, you'll see several options. Square 1x1, which is ideal for digital use or framed prints. 3x4 or 9x16 portrait, which is great for coloring books and story pages. 4x3 or 16x9 landscape, which is suitable for classroom worksheets or wide scenes. And here, you don't need to choose a style. Line art is pre-selected for coloring pages. This ensures your image is created as clean and high contrast outlines ready for print and color. And once your description and size are set, click the Generate button, and Photo Room will create 4 unique versions based on your prompt. Now click on each image to preview it in full size and check the details. From the image preview screen, you can remove the background, which is usually not needed for line art, generate 4 more variations based on your chosen image, change something by describing tweaks or additions, retouch to clean up lines and smooth out shapes, and resize to fit a different paper or layout size. An optional step is making tweaks. If you want to adjust the scene or add something extra, you can click Change Something, then describe what you'd like to modify, and make sure to be creative and specific for the best results. And when you find the version that you like best, you can click Use this image, and you will be taken to Photo Room's built-in editor where you can add text, like titles or instructions, insert logos or stickers, and make final retouches for printing or saving. And when you're finished, click the download button to save your image to your device. And to unlock unlimited AI generations and high-resolution downloads, you can start a 7-day free trial of Photo Room Pro. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.